really depressed and very shocked by the happenings in Laikipia. Watching the news, talking to people on the ground, it is a sad, sad situation. The government has taken some action, and having listened to the county commissioner, the regional commissioner, Ntimama, the work he's doing there is good. Maybe too little, too late. They've really waited all these years. I remember for years and years, Laikipia has been suffering, and most of the problems arise during the times of drought. That others come to insist on grazing their herd in places like this. Now it has gone to a place where the guns are technical. I don't even know the government whether they have those type of guns. The type of guns the bandits have are not guns that can be fought off carelessly. I heard that it is possible they will bring in the military. I think it's a very, very good thing. They need to bring in the military, quell those clashes, and kick out the bandits and look after our people. Security needs to be provided to our people. Our people are suffering. This is to talk about Laikipia, that you are now focusing on members of parliament and former members of parliament like Honorable Lemburgel. Surely where would Lemburgel get those type of guns? In this time and age, he's probably not even able to feed his own children, let alone buy guns for radicals or insist on wars. I want to say the government needs to do further investigations on this matter and create security for everybody. That is your job, a government for the people. This also goes to do with the Mau forest. In the Mau forest very recently, 2 young Maasai boys were slaughtered while they were herding their cattle. Peaceful. And some people just come in and cut off their throats. Why? Why would things like those be allowed to go unspoken, uncharted, unlooked after and untamed? Kwa hivyo ningependa kusema, jamani, serikali yetu, pea wananchi wote security ilivyofaa, ilivyo haki ya wananchi. Wananchi wote, wakubwa kwa wadogo, kila mtu anafaa kupewa security. It is almost like we are this is a prologue to the elections. When the elections come, there is war in Kenya. There is interclan fighting. There is fighting that goes on. Different tribes. I am suggesting, Kenya government, let us not let peace be destroyed by interests of a few. The interests of a few are stemming up things like where you have different levels of people in society. That is so wrong. That narrative is so wrong. You cannot use that narrative and hope for peace. Where you have some people who are called hustlers because they are poor, and others who are called dynasty because they've got wealth. In truth of fact, a person with a pro box, I don't know why he would be called a dynasty till his pro box is burnt down. Let us maintain peace. Let us love one another as Kenyans. Let us be together. Let us see our elections come through properly and be able to work together as a nation. Because you and I, we are Kenyans first.